This is going to be a product review of this weeding sickle. Now, I don't know how you pronounce this in Japanese. It is a Nejiri kama. Nejiri kama? It is made by ARS, or it's sold by ARS. Super sharp blade, takes a lot of work out of the weeding. Twisted shank. You can see over here we have a twisted shank. Twisted shank for superior durability. Comfortable wooden grip. So what do we have here? Grotech Nejiri kama, made in Japan. The perfect tool for weeding raised beds. And I'm looking online right now. If my videos help you out, do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. You want to donate to my PayPal info to keep my channel going, that would help me out. If you want to click on some of the Amazon affiliate links in my video description, that would also be awesome. I will leave a link, an Amazon affiliate link, in the description, so you can order this if you want to. What are the reviews on this? 4 out of 5. 76% of the people rated a 5-star. 8% 4-star, 6% 3-star, 3% 2-star, 6% 1-star. I can tell you when you shop on Amazon, if you have anything that's in the 70s or 80s, you're doing really good. Out of 446 customer reviews, 76%, that's pretty good. So what's the idea behind this whole thing? I've never used one of these before, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to go outside in a minute, and we're going to do a test to see how this works, a little video test. Taking off the cover. I'm trying to take off the cover. So this is the idea. The idea is that there's two ways with weeds. Sometimes you want to go in there and dig out the roots so that it doesn't grow back. And then I think sometimes you just want to go in there and break the dirt. But when the thing is that when you're taking out the root, you're probably going to be knocking seedlings all over the place, and you might regrow the weed right away. So let me put my finger on here and see how sharp this is. I don't want to cut myself on video. Whoa. Okay, yikes. Going in. It's amazing when I look online and people say, oh yeah, these are great, they're going to require sharpening. I rarely sharpen tools. I can't believe that this is going to need a lot of sharpening, but going this way, this blade, this is like a knife blade. This is, you should be able to see it over there. This is sharp. And going in the other direction, this is definitely sharp. This could hurt you. You don't want to do that. So the whole thing is that you hold the handle like this, and you go, ugh, and all your weeds are gone. You got to make sure you make that sound. You got to do that, And I'm going to take this outside right now. I'm going to have to get in the car and go someplace to find something to clean up for my video review. But if you like this, make sure you, like I said, do that thumbs up and like. But the really important thing is I go over to my mom's house and I do the weeding because the gardener doesn't want to do it. The gardeners of today, they want to spray that Roundup cleaner on, that Roundup chemical stuff on there, which is really toxic and cancerous and not good for the pets, or it's not good for anybody. And all those, that stuff is winding up in people's foods now because it's sprayed all over so many of the farms in the world. So you don't want to do that, and you got to go out there and weed. Well, nobody likes weeding. Even gardeners don't like weeding. So the whole idea will be to take this thing and rub it across the dirt like that. Rub, 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 rub. And we'll see what happens. We'll see if it tears out the weeds. And if it works, I think I'm going to go into 2 different areas to test it out. And here we go, off to the yard. Hey, we're outside right now. We're going to be testing this thing out and see what it does when we move these plants away. Okay. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to glide this across the top of the dirt. Wow. Now, I will tell you, I did not remove the root. But as far as weeding, most of the time we don't remove the root. Look at this. Look at this. This is insane. I just was doing this for, what, 10 seconds? Is this in the view? Okay, let's go try to get this in the view. So just going over a flower bed. Yeah, going over a flower bed. Look at that. It takes 2 seconds just to clean it up. Plus you get to remove all the other gunk that's in there. And, you know, I've got to say, if I was doing this with the standard tools that I have, the standard gardening tools, this would have been a lot more energy and a lot more effort. Is that in the video? Okay, so let's do this. This is a great tool. It's really well made. It's a little weird. I know the handle's turned. Is this in the video? The handle's turned to make it easier. It feels kind of awkward for me. A little bit of pressure on the wrist using this. But look at this whole area. Within about 60 seconds, it's all cleaned up. We have a dandelion over here, a little bit of shadowing, but let's see what it does. I'm just gonna see, this is a little weird. It's a little weird for the angle for me, but it just breaks it loose. And you rub this across the dirt and you clean your dirt up, and it's an awesome product. I'm very happy with this. Let's continue. What else do we have here? I think they make one of these in a left-handed, but I'm gonna hold this with the left hand now. And it's doing what it needs to do. So it definitely pulls the weeds out of the dirt, and it cleans up the top of the dirt. I'm really impressed. Let's see what we can do with this in about 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, gets right up to the plant, to the tree over there. It's kind of awkward to break this thing loose around the tree. Everything else is coming up really nice. Look at that. It just pulls it out. I don't know what else to say, people, except this product is definitely worth the money. And make sure you check the link that I'm going to leave in the video description so that you can order this. Do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. What else is there? Donate to my PayPal if you want to help me with the purchase of this to help spread the word. And click on those Amazon affiliate links in the description so that you can buy this and you can help me out.